Muungano wa upinzani nchini umekosoa hotuba ya Rais Kenyatta kwa taifa, ukisema kuwa aliwapotosha Wakenya. Wakiongozwa na Raila Odinga, Kalonzo Musyoka na Moses Wetangula, imesema kuwa serikali ya Jubilee imefeli kwa sekta nyingi kama vile usalama na utalii. Kalonzo Musyoka amesema kuwa tume huru ya uchaguzi na mipaka haitakiwi kusimamia uchaguzi mkuu ujao.
The manufacturing sector, Jubilee has failed to deliver a robust, diversified and competitive manufacturing sector by failing to implement the special economic zones, that is SEZs, and free trade areas as planned under the Vision 2030, and that is Mombasa, Lamu and Kisumu.
Catholic bishops are so clear that they cannot understand how IEBC can conduct the next election. And we must therefore move from here, specifically and with confidence, to tell IEBC to pack and go home.
The President painted a rosy picture of a country that is peaceful. Yet this came at the time of the anniversary of the terrorist attack on Garissa University, killing over 100 of our young people. It also came just a month after a brazen attack on our soldiers in Elade, soldiers who were attacked by Al-Shabaab militia. In this area, like in many other areas, the President was reporting progress and not results to Kenyans.